My neck hurts. Does your neck hurt? Well, I have a solution for you. Let's try this product. Hey everybody, welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Anley, and today we're going to be reviewing the Breo Neck N5 Mini. As you know, in each episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So let's get into it.
Let's take a look at the Breo Neck N5 Mini. This is a really cool product from Breo. It's a neck massager, but like you know, we're gonna unbox it and open it up. First thing out of the box, and what looks to be the only thing, is this bag of all your products. So let's open this bag and see what we got. Our instruction manual right here, simply relax. It's in its own little cover right here, and this feels nice and high quality as well. Some instructions on how to set it up in multiple languages. The massager itself, this thing feels great, fantastic. Relax anytime, anywhere. I've always been a fan of these. You pretty much drape them over your shoulders in a sense and kind of lean it on your neck. These kind of drape over your shoulders. Very nice. The buttons feel high quality. Good clicky sounds. Comes with a nice buckle on it right here as well. Press here to unlock. Cool. Strap yourself in. And last but not least, definitely not least, your charging cable right here. This is what you're going to use to plug it up. So let's open it up. It runs on a USB-C cable. So you just plug it up into a wall and plug it up into your device. Boom. Then it's good to go. Crazy technology. Very nice.
The three best things about this product is that it's hands-free, it has a chiropractor-like professional deep massage, imitation of a manual deep massage, and also a muscle relaxation with pain relief. The Breo N5 Mini Shiatsu massagers is for the neck and shoulders with heat. The N5 Mini utilizes warm soothing technology to relax the muscles in the neck and shoulders. Deeply massage the muscles of your shoulders and neck with the Breo N5 Mini massager. Its hand-shaped construction allows for a wider range than most neck massagers. Quickly feel the 170.60 Fahrenheit constant temperature heat in 15 seconds to relieve neck muscles and help you relax faster and more effectively. The Myofacial Release Massage has slow kneading, which relaxes the massaged area. The massage head's finger trigger points or knots in the facial tissue and gently apply pressure to relax contracted muscles, relieving discomfort throughout the myofacial tissue. When the bonding layers of the fascia are open, there is an illusion of peeling and a sensation that most people would describe as a feel-good pain. Humanoid massage technique. Massage therapists on the go. The humanoid massage function is based on the massage techniques of a professional therapist, which mimics the direction of the muscles and sets the movement trajectory, directly massaging the neck and shoulder muscles and relieving minor muscle aches and pains. Constant temperature, hot compress. Backpack design, free your hands. The Breo N5 Mini Neck Massager is a miniature neck massager with 2 massage modes in a heat application that can be used up for 10 minutes a week on full charge. You can wear it at home or in an office without any burden on your shoulders. An ergonomic design. Patent 5D massage heads for a full range of massages. With the 4+2 5D massage heads, the Breo N5 Mini can reach a larger massage area from the neck to the obliques and shoulders. In addition, the silicone rubber covered massage heads are softer than metal massage heads and provide a gentle touch to the skin. Massage anytime and anywhere. Enjoy relaxation anytime while traveling on business. It runs at 45 decibels, is cordless, and the cloth covers of the massage heads are removable and washable. It also features automatic overheating, power-off lithium battery life, portability, and overcurrent and overvoltage protection, as well as a 10-minute automatic timer function. Thanks to you, Breo, I can flip my hair again. We'd like to give a huge shout out to Breo for sponsoring this video. All of their links will be down below in the description. I've been today's host, Anley. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next review. Bye!